Right guys, we just received the BMW. We're gonna wrap the roof in carbon fiber 4D high gloss. So we're gonna do that on this car. It's raining right now, so I left to dry the car first and then I'm gonna start wrapping the roof. So that's pretty much, guys. I hope you guys enjoy it.
All night long, yeah. We dance with our razor tongues and all day long, yeah. We reset under burning sun, catching the waves, inhale, exhale. Reminiscing the bygone time, laugh till we cry, days flying by, flying by. Love on delay, push play, let it roll and take you away. Love for a day, replay. We don't care about what they say, and I go on, nah, nah, and you go on, nah, nah. No love on a holiday, no love on a holiday, no love on a holiday, no love on a holiday. We're running too fast on fumes and all day long, yeah. Lying around with our favorite tune, slumber away, inhale, exhale. Dreaming about summer nights with you, sweeter escape, dream wide awake, yeah. Away. Love on delay, push play, let it roll and take you away. Love for a day, replay. We don't care about what they say, and I go on, nah, nah, and you go on, nah, nah. No love on a holiday.
My guy's been working with me for 8 years now, nearly burned his eyebrows, his head. One day nearly had a haircut with a heat gun. Look at his smile, see his smile.
Say and I go on, nah, nah, and you go on, nah, nah. No love on a holiday, yeah. No love on a holiday, yeah. No love on a holiday, no love on a holiday.
Okay guys, and that's the roof wrapped in 4D high gloss carbon fiber. It's done. It took us about an hour to get it done, so it's ready to go now. It looks different, it looks awesome, but me personally, I prefer the normal carbon fiber than the 4D, the high gloss. But the customer wants that one, so we done it. It's all done now. Just waiting for the customer to collect the car, and that's it guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you on the next video.